737 meters. What type of forest they will have? They are part of the Himalayas, so they have evergreen forest, tropical evergreen forest. They are covered with tropical evergreen forest, and most of the islands are mountainous. ठीक है, because they are part of Purvanchal Himalayas. And most of the islands are mountainous. And most of the islands are mountainous. Okay. 1, 2, 3 or in Nicobar, you look at this. Car Nicobar you have marked. ठीक है. Next island you mark this Kachal island. Kachal. Is it given? In Nicobar you will find this Kachal and Nankauri island. Sometime it will come in news. Nankauri and this Kachal island. And the third point you write Indira Point. Indira Point, remember? Southernmost point. So that you mark. Kachal, Nankauri, this. Nankauri island. Is it okay? Now next you write the heading Lakshadweep Island, okay? Write down, I am dictating something with respect to Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep, right heading Lakshadweep. First point, Aman Devi. Aman Devi. ठीक है, Aman Devi Islands. ठीक है, Lakshadweep has 3 parts. Okay, first one is this Aman Devi, second one is this Kavarati, third one is the Minicoy. Okay, so first we are writing about Aman Devi Islands. Minicoy अभी मैं बताऊंगी, एक एक का लिखवाऊंगी. ओके, पहले आप लिखो Aman Devi. Consists of 6 main islands. 6 main islands. ठीक है, अमीनी, केल्तान, मैप में आप देखोगे तो ये दे रखा है. ठीक है, अमीनी, केल्तान, चेटलेट, फोर्थ बित्रा. कदमत, KADMAT. पेरुमल पार. ठीक है, अमिनी, केल्तन, चेटलट, TL. ठीक है, CHETLT, चेटलट. ठीक है, कदमत, बित्रा एंड पेरुमल पार. ठीक है, जस्ट दिमाग में एक बार होना चाहिए कि आपने ये लोकेशंस देखी हैं, ये कहाँ पे लोकेटेड हैं. ठीक है, इन नाम बहुत ज्यादा याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट यू शुड बी अवेयर कि हाँ, लक्षद्वीप हैज फर्स्ट पार्ट इज अमन दीवी आइलैंड्स. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 6 आइलैंड. ओके, नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज दी सेकेंड पार्ट इज लैकाडिव आइलैंड्स. फर्स्ट पार्ट उसके अंदर क्या वैरायटी आता है. फर्स्ट पार्ट वी हैव रिटन दिस, सेकेंड वन यू राइट LACCADIV लैकाडिव आइलैंड्स. ठीक है. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 5 मेजर आइलैंड्स. फर्स्ट वन एंड्रोट, लिख दो इसको, यहां पे मैं लिख रही हूं. ठीक है. एंड्रोट, second one is Kalpeni, third one Kavaratti, capital of Lakshadweep, right? It resides in this Lakshadweep Islands. Okay. Fourth one Pitti, Suheli, Pitti, and fifth one is Suheli. कहाँ पे? दिखाओ कौन सी मैप की बात कर रही है. कैनन और कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? वो अलग दूसरा नाम है उसका लैकाद्वीप का. ठीक है. लैकाद्वीप का. ठीक है. दिखाओ एटलस दिखाओ, उसमें कुछ नया नाम दिया है क्या? आपका लेटेस्ट वाला है. ये थर्ड पार्ट को ही कहेंगे इसको. मिनिकॉय में ही आ जाएंगे कैनन और. ठीक है. थर्ड वाले में मिनिकॉय में. ठीक है. अमनदीप लैकाद्वीप में नहीं आएंगे. ठीक है. ये मिनिकॉय का पार्ट है. इन मिनिकॉय यू विल हैव टू जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस मिनिकॉय. यस, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. ओके. सो इंपॉर्टेंट मिनिकॉय आइलैंड आप रिमेंबर करोगे बस. इसमें से मिनिकॉय में यू विल रिमेंबर ओनली मिनिकॉय आइलैंड. ओके. नॉट एनी मेजर आइलैंड्स. You remember Amandevi में how many islands we have? 6. ठीक है. In Lakshadweep Islands we have 5 and there is a Minicoy. These 3 parts of islands constitute the Lakshadweep. Okay. Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 25 small islands next point. All are tiny islands of coral origin. All are tiny islands of coral origin and are surrounded by fringing reefs. So Lakshadweep is a coral island. Okay. Fringing reefs. The largest and the most advanced is the Minicoy Island. ठीक है. Most we have written the largest and the most advanced one is the Minicoy Island. Okay. Next point you can write their topography is flat. and relief features such as hills comma streams etc are absent. Hills or streams, क्योंकि they don't have hilly origin, right? Like Andaman and Nicobar had mountainous region was there. This has flat surface. इसमें क्या है? Hills और streams क्या है? Absent है. It has a flat topography. ठीक है? Their topography is flat and relief features like hills, streams, etc. are absent. This island is extremely vulnerable to sea level change. Okay, that means climate change. This island is extremely vulnerable to sea level change. Andaman has coral reefs, but it has limited coral reefs. Okay, it's not fully coral based. It is a mountainous. क्योंकि हमने देखा था ranges थे, hills थे. Okay, in Andaman you write there are around more than 260 islands are there. Here what we had 25 islands, but in Andaman and Nicobar we have around 260 plus islands, small islands. Now, what is their importance? What is the strategic importance of this islands that we have? We have important physiographic division. This, है ना? So, what is their importance with respect to India? Aircraft. Which unseen?
Unsinkable.
अच्छा, unsinkable cables. See, they said how they can build there. How it can be built? They have bases. We have defense bases. Na, that is defense base is different. Aircraft you can't build there. That is different thing. Okay. What could be the significance, importance? First, Ronak, you tell two importance of this islands. Why these islands are so important for us that our Prime Minister went there, sat there, spent time there. What happened? Why? Economic perspective. Okay, we can have tourism here. We can grow there, है ना? Tourist. ग्रोथ हो सकती है वहां पे, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ करने के लिए, राइट? मोर टूरिस्ट विल कम, इट विल बी डेवलपमेंट फॉर दैट रीजन. ओके, फाइनेंशियली आल्सो एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ ग्रोथ इन ऑल अदर एस्पेक्ट्स, पीपल विल ग्रो देयर. ओके, मोर इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज विल हैपन and tourism is one factor. Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands are very beautiful places, good for tourism. And first point is the second. रौनक एक भी वर्ड नहीं याद आ रहा, कुछ भी? ठीक है, गुड. नेक्स्ट,
scientific experiment in India Ocean.
We can do the testing and all, but it's very difficult to do there because coral reefs are very sensitive, है ना? So you cannot make loud noises or you cannot explore or you can. आर्कियोलॉजिकल साइट्स है वहाँ पे, कौन से हैं? पोर्ट ब्लेयर हैज हिस्टोरिकल रिलेवेंस. ओके, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू अंडमान एंड निकोबार we can write historical significance. Next, करुणा, you tell one. आपके मन में कोई पॉइंट आया अलग? करुणा, you Any other point? Percentage wise you can say comparatively, ठीक है, because they have limited population only, so automatically the percentage is rise. Okay, so it's okay, you can write one line, educationally they are literate. Okay, they are developing. Any other? Culture we have written, historical plus cultural significance. Okay, another point you are missing, that is defense perspective. ठीक है, they have strategic location. Strategic location point of view. Okay, what happens? These islands increase our territorial boundary. Okay, so that we get more areas under our control. Okay, इससे क्या होगा? larger area तक हमारा रूल चलेगा, है कि नहीं? Look into this map. How oceans are divided? Who governs the ocean? Up to what limit there is territorial sovereignty? Up to till 200 we have exclusive economic zone. Okay, so issue is arising. यहाँ पे जो कच्चा तीर वाला issue आ रहा है, why it is arising? Because if it areas come in our territorial integrity, then our fishes can efficiently harness more fishes. Okay, इससे क्या होगा? अगर हम लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड यहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ पे, तो उससे क्या होता है कि हमारा क्या है, एरिया जो है स्ट्रैटेजिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, टेरिटोरियल वाटर्स क्या है, इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, हियर ऑल्सो सपोज दिस टेरिटरी, अगर हम इसको और इंक्रीज करें अपनी तरफ से, ये आइलैंड अपने में ले लें, तो अपना एरिया इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं? इफ वी कैप्चर दैट आइलैंड, इफ नॉट कैप्चरिंग, इफ वी टेक इट एज आवर ओन सॉवरेन टेरिटरी, सो दिस टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी विल इंक्रीज. ठीक है, मैरीटाइम बाउंड्री विल इंक्रीज, 12 नॉटिकल माइल्स मोर वी विल गेट to rule, है ना, our fishermen will be saved. ठीक है, like this is a coast, this is the Andaman. ठीक है, so up to 200 nautical miles can you explore, right? हमें extra advantage मिल रहा है, except this mainland area. Along with that, here Lakshadweep, if you will see, more area we are getting that we can explore, है ना, we can do defense research also, we can provide security also to this Indian Ocean. Many defense bases are getting built up here, है ना, army, air force, their defense sector is getting, bases are getting set up here. So from strategic point of view, from defense, economic perspective view and security perspective, it is very important. Are you all getting how you will write the relevance of this island, how important they are to our country? ठीक है, so this is how, that's why this Kachativi issue has arisen, because it will increase our area. So Sri Lanka also want that reason, Indians also want that reason. ठीक है, मेन फाइट हैपेंस फॉर द लैंड ओनली, फॉर टू इंक्रीज द टेरिटरी. व्हाई चाइना इज इंट्रूडिंग एवरीवेयर इन द साउथ चाइना सी? बिकॉज इट वांट्स मोर प्रेजेंस, मोर इकोनॉमिक प्रोस्पेरिटी. ओके, मोर इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्सेज. ठीक है, ही वांट्स टू मेक प्रेजेंट इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ कैन यू राइट इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो, कोस्टल आइलैंड्स? चलो, सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस कोस्टल आइलैंड्स ऑल्सो. चलो, ये चीजें हो गई. चलो, who will do the revision? Sobo, once do the revision. What we did? What all we did? You will revise for us. What we studied in that, in coastal plains. We started with the coastal plains, right? What we studied in the western coastal plains. What are they? Okay. And how you are divided? What are the divisions? Among the western coast, Kerala one, and in the upward there was Gujarat section. In between there was a Konkan area also, that also you remember. Maharashtra and Gujarat, Goa wala region is called the Konkan coast, and the Kerala and some part of the Karnataka is the Malabar coast, and there was a Gujarat coast. Okay, so 3 divisions. In eastern coastal, what were the divisions? Utkal and the Andhra plain was also there, and Coromandel coast was there. Okay, next what we did? रौनक, next क्या किया था अपने आप? हाँ, कौन कौन से रिवर्स किए थे इंपॉर्टेंट जो हमने देखे? सारे रिवर्स तो नहीं कराए मैंने अभी, मैंने सिर्फ अभी वेस्टर्न में बताओ, वेस्टर्न साइड में हमने कौन कौन से रिवर्स देखे वेस्टर्न प्लेन्स में, गुजरात में। हाँ आप बताओ रौनक, कौन से 4 रिवर्स हमने किए गुजरात में? नाइन। ओके, देन साउथ में कोई अभी अभी रिवर मार्क नहीं किया, तो 2 मार्क किए थे। व्हाट वर दे इन केरला? पेरियार एंड नो नॉट कच्छ। इन केरला Annamalai was a hills. अच्छा hills we did. Okay, Nisha, what we did in the west eastern Ghats, in the eastern coastal plain, what important rivers or important things we marked in Odisha? कृष्णा बेसिन हमने देखे थे, ठीक है। अभी सिर्फ बेसिन। उड़ीसा में हमने क्या देखा? व्हाट वी लुक्ड एट इन द उड़ीसा इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स? हाँ, that is in Brahmaputra, that is in Bangladesh, Calcutta, Bangladesh. Chilka Lake, okay. Rushikulia river was there in Odisha. There what? Ganjam coast, ठीक है। Ganjam coast, all related turtle were there, ठीक है। That is with respect to Odisha, Chilka Lake famous. Then in Andhra, what lakes we did? Karuna, you tell her. Tell 2 lakes we did in Andhra, Pulikat and Koleru. Next, Rohit, you tell what we studied next. What was their specific things? Okay, tell me in the sequence. What? In the sequence. What Pomban Island? Then what was there? Okay. Dhanush Kodi. Mannar Island was there. Park Strait. पार्क स्ट्रेट तो उसके राइट में है, ठीक है। सो कच्चा तीबू, ठीक है। सो इज दिस रीजन क्लियर इन योर माइंड? नाउ नो कंफ्यूजन शुड बी देयर, ओके। नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी स्टडीड, सो व्हाट वी स्टडीड नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर दिस तमिलनाडु कोस्ट एंड ऑल? What? Significance, coastlines, okay. Then we studied, what we studied in Andaman and Nicobar? Desert, okay. Desert, so I have dictated everything, okay. So you do the revision. Then you tell coast of submergence and emergence, Jatin. You are mistaken. Emergence means emerge होना. The landform has emerged because of it has emerged. It has uplifted, okay, or the sea level has gone down. ठीक है? That is coastline of emergence. And in submergence, what will happen? The water level will rise, or that land will go down, subside. Okay? So make clear. Submergence मतलब क्या हुआ? Word से relate करने की कोशिश करना. What is emergence and what is submergence? ठीक है? Then we studied about all the islands, okay, Andaman and Nicobar. Do the revision, okay. Revise करके आना सारे islands, सारे locations, okay. चलो, thank you class.